Gene expression. What is gene expression? It is a process of using gene to synthesize protein. For your information, gene contains RNA which plays an active role in all stages of gene expression. There are three types of RNA involved in synthesis of protein: messenger RNA, transfer RNA, and ribosomal RNA. This is the summary of gene expression for eukaryotes. You can refer to your module on page 32. These are the functions of RNA. For messenger RNA, it is produced in the nucleus by a process called transcription. Messenger RNA also carries genetic information from DNA to the cytosol. For transfer RNA, it is a carrier molecule for amino acids that delivering them to the site of protein synthesis. As there are 20 different amino acids, there are also 20 different types of transfer RNA. The next one is ribosomal RNA. There are two ribosomal RNA subunits joined together with proteins in the cytosol to form the subunits of ribosomes. Transcription. Transcription takes place in the nucleus. It also produces an RNA sequence complementary to one of the DNA strains. It uses an RNA polymerase enzyme which binds to a region of the DNA. Translation. Translation takes place in cytoplasm. It has sequence of messenger RNA bases which determine the sequence of amino acid in polypeptide. Transfer RNA assists by bringing amino acid to ribosome. Protein synthesis. Protein synthesis occurs from DNA to RNA and to protein. In order to synthesize a protein, the genetic information in the DNA must be converted into an amino acid sequence. Transcription involves the synthesis of messenger RNA from template DNA. During translation, the messenger RNA directs the sequence of amino acids. For genetic code, within a gene, information for the amino acid sequence of a protein is encoded in a triplet code. This triplet code is transcribed into the codons in messenger RNA. These codons provide redundant sequences for the placement of amino acids in a protein. This is the example of genetic code table, and you can refer to the last page of our module. So that's all from us today. Thank you for watching us.